Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Josie and I am a wife and stay-at-home mom to a beautiful baby girl. Well, I should say toddler now because she officially turned 1 this month. If you're new here, I just recently posted a party prep with me for a winter wonderland themed birthday for her and everything turned out beautiful. I'll link it up above in case you're interested in that. But yeah guys, I'm so excited to get back to decorating and furnishing the house. If you're new here, that is also something that's going on my channel. I just moved into this beautiful dream house of mine and we've been taking you guys along the journey of furnishing and decorating, and I still have a bunch of unpacked stuff, so that's what we're going to be working on today because the Christmas madness kind of took over, settling in a little bit because we moved in right before November and December hit and all that crazy stuff, and you know, on YouTube you have to start decorating for December in November. So anyways, today we are finally going to be putting up the console table and the mirror that I just unboxed there in the upstairs hallway. I've been talking about this for quite some time and you guys also voted on my Instagram the different looks that I have. If you don't follow me on Instagram, basically I just created a bunch of different styles on how I wanted to decorate it and I was really unsure, so I had you guys vote and let me know which style was your favorite and I went with that style. So yeah, so anyways, we're gonna be doing that, decorating the console table. I'm building it here, and then we're also gonna be unpacking some stuff in my daughter's nursery and putting up all the decor. It came out so beautiful and I just feel so good now that it's done. It feels like an actual room, so at least that's done because you guys know my master bedroom is on hold for the furniture to be in stock, and so until that furniture comes in, everything else is kind of on hold because the furniture that's in my master bedroom is going into my guest bedroom. So that's all the rooms up there. They're all unfinished, so at least now the nursery is 99.9% finished and it just feels so good to have a finished room up there. So we're going to be doing that today, but first I'm just starting off with building the console table, so I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Oh, and you guys, Merry Christmas. I totally forgot because I'm recording this before Christmas, this voiceover, but by the time this video goes up, it'll already be Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Let me know down below in the comments, how was your Christmas? I truly hope each one of you enjoyed it. Let me know what you did. Did you go over to a family member's house or a friend's house? Did you host? I know last time I left all saying I wasn't sure if I was going to host again after hosting all these different things at my house recently, but I decided to just host and then order catering from Olive Garden. So I'm anticipating that I'm gonna have a great Christmas. But yeah guys, so now I'm putting the console table in the hallway and I specifically put it in this spot. The hallway is huge guys, you might not be able to tell on camera, but it's huge and it's very long too. So I decided I have a lot of areas to fill up, but here I'm putting the console table here because right back there is that door is my laundry closet and it just fits enough to stack the 2 laundry units. So I'm having trouble finding where I want to put my detergent and all my laundry necessities, so I thought I could hide it somewhere in this console table. I'm gonna have baskets at the bottom, so maybe I can go ahead and hide it there. So yeah, and then my lovely husband went ahead and put that lovely mirror up for me, so it's all ready to decorate, but some of my decor pieces had not come in yet, so I'm actually doing that the next day, and that'll be towards the end of the video after I go ahead and clean and decorate this nursery. I felt bad because I had him put up so many things this day and it was his day off, so I really felt bad, but I love him so much. He did it for me. He actually built the crib because the crib was not built. We just had it all in pieces, so he built the crib for me, put up that mirror, and then he also put some bookshelves back up for me in her nursery. So I really appreciate him. I love you, babe. But yeah, here I'm just starting off with taking apart this huge playpen. A lot of people ask me where I got this from. I got this from Amazon, and it worked for a while until she started getting mobile and she didn't want to be in it. She wanted to be roaming around the house. So I think now it's time that I just take it apart and put it away for the next baby, whenever that is. Lord, I'm not calling another baby on myself right now. You know, I'm still not sleeping from the first one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that away and then clean up the nursery and then take out all the decor.
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Well, I'm a pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go?
So now I'm just gonna wipe down the furniture, vacuum a bit. I had not wiped down this room or anything in this room since we moved in. They came straight off of the U-Haul truck and that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that before I put anything back up.
Oh, nah, nah, nah. Oh, nah, nah, nah. For love of pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, nah, nah. We ain't got this.
So after vacuuming the outer rug, my cordless vacuum actually died on me. That's why I was struggling there when I was vacuuming the pink carpet, but that's okay because I had vacuumed all the rugs before I packed them and rolled them up before the move, so it wasn't even that dirty anyways. But yeah, now I'm taking out all her decor and her sheets and stuff out of the closet that I had not unpacked. But you guys saw there, her closet is super huge, and I did mention that in the video where I did the closet maids and I installed the closet maids in the closets in the master bedroom. I said that they were small and that every other room had a huge closet, just like my daughter's room. She has a huge closet, and I can't wait to install one of the bigger closet maids in there and organize everything, and her little shoes is gonna look so cute. But yeah, now I'm just unpacking all the decor. I'm gonna decorate a bit. I had all her blankets in here, so I just put the sheet for the crib. I had all her plush and all the wall decor. Guys, I'm so excited for how everything turned out. It's the same decor from the previous house, but it just looks different in this house because it's like a completely different layout and room.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star.
So now I'm just putting up the little towel hooks behind the door just as I had it in the other house, but do not judge my method, guys. My husband was busy and I didn't know where his hammer was, so I just used a wrench to hammer in the push pin because the door was like really solid. They were not going in with just me pushing it, so that's why I'm using a wrench here.
I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
So now I'm just adding all the wall decor back up. I love these foam flowers. I got them from Amazon, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know if I can link everything, guys, because this was like pre-YouTube. All this decor that I got for her room was like pre-YouTube. So yeah, I'm just putting up all the wall decor, and it was kind of hard because her other room was so much smaller and it didn't have this much wall space. So I was having a lot of trouble deciding where to put what. And these little flowers, I actually ended up taking them out because I just didn't know how I felt about them. Let me know what you guys think though. Hey you guys, so my my husband's putting up the last two things that I'm gonna put up, which are her floating shelves that I have, that I put her books inside, like a little stuffed animal. So I'll show you guys that in a few. But for the name that I just showed you, I was thinking of putting it up here above her crib. We had it above her crib in the other house, but we need to put curtains up. So I got these curtains. They're like a very light pink, but I only got 2 panels because for some reason when we looked at the house, I thought that there was only 1 window in here. So I'm gonna need actually to get another panel, another 2 panels, maybe another 4 panels from Home Goods, because this is a double window, so 2 might go here, 2 go here, and then 2 there. So I'm gonna need to get 2 of these, 2 more packs of these. And then once the curtains are up, I want to see how it's gonna look up there, because we might put the rods all the way at the top, or I don't know yet. But comment down below where you think the name thing should go, because this is like a completely different setup from the other house. So we're gonna put the shelves up, put the books inside, and I'll catch up. And I also wanted to show you guys, because I eventually want a playroom for her, but our basement is not finished yet. We're gonna be doing that, God willing, in the future. So what I'm planning to do here with this wall under the flowers is get one of those cube organizers and then put her toys in all the cubes. So this could be like her little playroom for now, because there's a lot of room here to play. And I'm not gonna overcrowd it with stuff, so she can have that room to play until we get the playroom. So now I'm just adding the finishing touches. I added the books to the bookshelf and a little stuffed animal, and I also added her ball pit that she got for her birthday in the room. And then I'm going to show you guys how everything turned out, and next we're going to be decorating the console table, so stick around for that.
We do anything for what we started, but this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe.
Alright y'all, so now is the next day, and I finally had everything ready for the table and to decorate it. I shopped my house for a lot of these things, guys. I was so proud of myself. So this basket, now I did go off the look that I originally posted in all of the looks. I had 2 baskets on the bottom, but these baskets were expensive, guys, and my budget has not been all that, you know, crazy right now. So I decided to just get 1 basket. This is a throw that I already had. It was a worn out throw that I actually had in my living room, and I thought it would be perfect for this space because I did want a white or cream throw. And then the fact that it was worn out really didn't matter because it was going in a basket anyway. And on the other side, I actually decided to put a throw pillow that I already had as well. So again, I shopped my house and I love it because I was not planning to use this in my decor, because my decor downstairs in my living room changed completely, and I had these pillows and I was like, hey, this would look good on the side. I seen console tables decorated with throw pillows before, so instead of getting 2 baskets and spending $30 on each basket, I decided to do this, and I think it turned out really cute.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So I did go with the look that had the second highest in votes, and that is only because the first one did not have the lamp, and I wasn't going to include the lamp because I didn't want to spend the extra money, but I was in Home Goods for something completely different. I was actually shopping for Valentine's Day, and I saw this and the lampshade was damaged, so I asked if I could get a discount, and I did. So I got it for a way cheaper price than I originally thought, so I decided to just put there. And my hallway doesn't have a window, so I thought having a lamp there would just bring that extra light. And then as for the vase, I only had this like kind of blue tinted glass base, and I wanted either a white or black base in matte, like a matte colored white or black base, and you guys did vote for the black base, so I thought I would just get a matte black spray paint and go ahead and spray this vase because I wasn't going to use it again. Really the blue tinted style was just not in my whole decor palette anymore, so I wasn't going to use this vase anyway. So I was like, let me just spray paint it, and then I went ahead and added some flowers. I didn't find the exact flowers that I wanted or that were in the pictures that I showed you guys, but these were pretty close, and if I ever find them in the future, I'll add those. And then I went ahead and added these books that I already had. I did buy the homebody one, but the other one I had, and I just have a bunch of these table decor books. And guys, the vase in camera, like on camera, it looks like it's messed up on the bottom. It doesn't look like that in person. I guess I didn't do as heavy as a coat as I should have on the bottom, but I will go ahead and fix that. But it does not look like that in person. And then I just added the candlesticks that I had in my decor for my Christmas tablescape on my dining table, but because Christmas is over, I was able to use them here. Now I did want to add this picture frame there, and I had a picture already printed from Walgreens, but I just felt like it looked too big there. I might have to get something smaller. I don't know. Let me know below if you guys think it looks good with the picture frame or not. I took it off for now, but I might add it back, because now that I'm looking at it back on video, it doesn't look too terrible. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do what the whole purpose of the console table was, and those baskets at the bottom, which was to hide my laundry detergent, because that is the only laundry space I have, and they were just on the floor, and I thought if I had a table there with a basket on the bottom, I could just hide them there, and then it would be easy accessible to me. And yeah, that's the whole reason I did this whole table there. I mean, I did want to decorate the hallway, but the reason why I did it right there and put the basket there was for that. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So please let me know what you think down below, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and if you're not already, hit that red subscribe button as well. We'll see you guys, God willing, in the new year. Stay safe, have fun, and enjoy your New Year's. Love you guys. Bye.
Shut the lights, go infrared. Oh, we can spend all day